Hey there, startup founders. My name's Amanda Rabideau, founder and CEO of Arch Collective. And today we are going to be talking about the transformative technology known as artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer when it comes to how businesses are going to operate and how they're going to grow. In this video, we're going to explore the power of artificial intelligence and how it's propelling B2B businesses forward. Artificial intelligence is more than just a futuristic concept. It's really reshaping industries. For B2B tech companies, artificial intelligence opens up opportunities to drive efficiency, innovation, and for strategic decision-making. So where are those opportunities for B2B tech companies to tap into the power of artificial intelligence? Let me take you through a few. First up, data-driven insights. AI empowers B2B tech companies to make data-driven decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data, from customer patterns to market trends. Next up are personalized customer experiences. As a marketer, I've been hearing for years about how it's so important to make sure that content and everything you do is custom and curated and personalized, but it hasn't always been easy. That has changed. AI enables the possibility of creating personalized customer experiences at scale. This is a marketer's dream and the holy grail. Through predictive analytics, your tech company can anticipate customer needs, tailor product recommendations, and enhance overall satisfaction. Third, automated processes. Say goodbye to mundane tasks. Who likes them anyway? Artificial intelligence will open up, freeing up valuable human resources so that they can focus on high impact activities instead. Whether it's automating customer support through chatbots or streamlining internal workflows, AI enhances operational efficiency. So what are a few strategies for B2B tech companies to leverage? I'll take you through those now. First up is implementing chatbots. As I mentioned in my previous comment, chatbots are a way to provide automated customer support, something that's highly valued. You can enhance your customer engagements by implementing AI-based chatbots. These intelligent bots can handle routine inquiries and even guide users through the purchasing process, delivering a seamless customer experience. Next up, predictive analytics for sales. When it comes to sales or the revenue coming in the door, everyone wants the numbers and the data. Why not leverage AI-driven predictive analytics to identify leads, forecast sales trends, and optimize your sales strategy? This not only saves time, but improves the accuracy of sales predictions. And finally, enhancing cybersecurity. I don't talk a lot about cybersecurity, but I promise you, when it comes to marketing, it's always top of mind. In the tech industry, security is paramount. We've all seen the headlines, and I guarantee you don't want your company to be the next one making the front page. AI can actually strengthen cybersecurity measures by identifying potential trends, detecting anomalies, and responding in real time to protect sensitive data. In summary, the power of AI for B2B tech companies is vast and transformative. By harnessing the capabilities of artificial intelligence, your company can gain a competitive edge, drive innovation, and foster sustainable growth. The future of tech is now, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. In fact, the other day, I even heard it equated to the wheel. That's how transformative AI not only is, but will continue to be to society. This wraps up our exploration of AI for B2B tech companies. If you're excited about the possibilities of what AI can bring, give us a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, happy innovating.